the drawing ideas that you can do at home and try at home are these stars. These are like very simple and you can draw with like markers. The next idea is diamonds. As you can see, again, you can use like different colors and make it as colorful as you want. The next drawing idea I have for you is dotted lines. So it's as simple as just taking like a sketch pen or like a crayon or a color pencil and draw something like this. This will be like a fun activity that you can do. The next idea is wavy lines like this. I feel like it looks really pretty, and this is something maybe you can just draw at home and see what you can come up with. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you're interested in content like this, and I will post more. Thank you.